The problem of squatters and owners' rights.
This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
As a property owner myself, it has caught my attention that throughout the United States, a problem has arisen. The term used is squatters. These are people who illegally occupy real estate that belongs to another person or company. In one report, some houses here in Texas that were vacant because they were bought to clear the way for a possible high-speed rail line were being occupied by squatters. This caused real problems for the nearby residents of homes that were not purchased by the rail company. Where were the police in this situation? Apparently, local residents could not evict them or charge them with trespassing. Only the rail company could do that. From New York City, in what surely seems to be a scene from the Twilight Zone, a report by the Pacific Legal Foundation mentions that earlier this year, a woman was arrested for changing the locks to her own $1 million property in Queens after a squatter had allegedly moved in. Right, the owner was arrested, not the squatters. Another report that I reviewed said the owner is still required to keep up the taxes and utilities on the property that she cannot enter and occupy. The Pacific Legal Foundation defines squatters as people who live in or on someone else's property, though they don't have any legal claim to it, don't own it, and don't have permission to be there. During the development of the center of America, there were something called homestead rights. A family could settle on 160 acres of land, declare that they would settle it, and after 5 years of farming, they would own it. We also have adverse possession laws that vary from state to state, but those laws are very specific. For instance, in most cases, a tenant who holds over after their lease ends can never claim the property under adverse possession. In these recent cases, the persons are often not following adverse possession rules, and in fact, the legitimate owners are trying to get them out of the properties. They have been told that they have to follow complicated and time-consuming eviction laws instead of being able to have the persons arrested for simple trespassing. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.